Hello everyone, welcome to Code in Depth. So today we are going to solve the question number 5834, which is from the Leetcode contest, biweekly contest 59. Okay, so what we have to do in this question is, here you will be given a string, like you have given a string something like ABC. Then you have to tell that how many seconds will it take to type this string. Means if you are starting from A, then for typing each character you need 1 second, and from going one character to another also takes 1 second. So if you are at A, then from A typing A it will take 1 second, then going from A to B it will take 1 second, typing B will take 1 second. Going from B to C again will take 1 second, and 1 for typing C. So there will be 5 seconds needed. Okay, so if you have some other string, like we can see from examples. Yeah. So if you have BZA or ZJPC. Okay, so if you have BZA, our pointer is initially at A. So from A going to B will take 1 second. Okay, so 1 second will take for going. Then typing B will take 1 second. Then going from B to Z, you can also move anti-clockwise. So it will take 1 second and plus 1 second, which is 2 seconds. And then going from Z to A, typing Z will take 1 second, and from going from Z to A will take 1 second, and typing A will take 1 second. So 3 and 4 is 4 seconds. So total 7 seconds will be needed. Now if you have ZJPC, so here if you are initially at Z, then going from Z to J, you can see the minimum path is this one. So you can count that it will take 9 seconds to go, or it will take actually 10 seconds to go. Then you will type Z, it will take 1 second. Then going from J to P will take, you can calculate it, and from P to C, and you can also add 3 to it because of typing, because typing also needs some time. So you might have guessed the approach what we are going to do. So what we are going to do is, basically if we initialize two variables which are as pointers and ASCII of the value. The one variable is pointer and the second one is ASCII. So pointer will always be initialized with 0, and ASCII will be the ASCII of the variable. Means we can see that ASCII of A is small a is 97. So if we take it in reference of A, which means if we take A to be 0, B to be 1, C to be 2, so in this way we will be going to take the ASCII. Now if your pointer, there will be 3 cases. In first case will be in which your pointer will be equal to ASCII. Second case will be pointer will be greater than ASCII. So if your pointer is greater than ASCII, means if your pointer is somewhat here is your pointer and here is your word till which you have to go. So either you can go this way, or either you can come through this way. So which means either you can do pointer minus ASCII, or you will do 26 minus pointer, which will reach you to point A, because if you have the ASCII of X as 23, Okay, so 26 minus p will give 3. So 3 will be from this to this point, this to this point, and this to this point. So it will be 3. So on doing 26 minus p will reach you to point A, and now you have to go to U. So you will add the ASCII of the value of in it. So you will take the minimum, and when here you can also have a second case. Okay, so your second case will be if pointer is less than ASCII. So if your pointer is here and your ASCII is here, so either you can go this way, means either you can do ASCII minus pointer, or you can go this way. So as I told you that 26 minus ASCII will reach you to point A, and if you have to go to point P, then you will do plus P. So this is the basic approach which we are going to implement. So now I will show you the code. Okay. So yeah, this is the code for it. We are iterating through our string, and here we have ASCII, which is word I minus a, and if our pointer is equal to ASCII, then we will just increment the count, or we are having or if it is not like that, means our pointer is less than ASCII, then we are having value as minimum of ASCII minus pointer and 26 minus ASCII plus pointer, as I told you the approach. And then we will increment the count and count with value, and we will reinitialize the pointer as ASCII, and then we will do the count plus plus. Why we are doing count plus plus? Because we have to we are also taking a 1 second to type that word, and the same as the else part, you can see that. Okay, so this is the solution. If we submit that, yeah, this is accepted. Okay, so thank you very much. Hope you liked the video. So please subscribe to the channel if you liked it, and thank you very much, and bye bye.